Hi friends, now we discuss WBCS mains 2014 paper. Okay, so geography it is. Physical division. The wave angle and divergence come into during Cretaceous and early Tertiary period. The wave angle and divergence come into being during Cretaceous and early Tertiary period. What is the difference of time between GMT and IST? It is 5.30 hours. Okay, the Hindustan the Tibet Road, connecting Simla and the Gangtok in the Western Ghats. Okay, the Hindustan and the Tibet Road connecting Simla with Gangtok, with the Gatok. Okay, in Western Tibet passes through Sipkila Pass. The Jaskar is one of the main ranges, the Trans-Himalayan system. Okay, which ocean depth is located in Indian Ocean? Sunda. Okay, and Silent Valley is located in Kerala. Which is the highest peak of West Bengal? Sandakapur. Okay, which of the following district of West Bengal has the lowest literacy rate in 2011? It is Uttar Dinajpur. And the appropriate percentage of land under forest in West Bengal is 20.5%. North-south stretch Hooghly Industrial Belt is from Basberia to Bajbaj. Okay, north-south stretch Hooghly Industrial Belt is from Basberia to Bajbaj. In which part of the Ganga Delta land building has practically ceased? It is in Nadia. Okay, so next, Sindh Sagar Doab is located between the rivers Jhelum, Chenab and Indus. Sindh Sagar Doab is located between the rivers Jhelum, Chenab and Indus. Jog Falls is associated with Sabarmati. Saravati, okay, Jog Falls. Okay. Wildlife Protection Act passed 1972. Sustainable development was first clearly defined by the Brundtland Commission. The first railway line in India was started 1853 to establish the growth of small enterprise so that they graduate to medium enterprise. A comprehensive act called the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Development Act come into force in the year 1994. Which statement regarding the special economic zones is incorrect? They are not exempted from the application of labor law. It is wrong. And others are correct. Okay, they are duty free. They are deemed to foreign territories for purpose of trade, duties, okay, tariffs. Area is net foreign exchange. Okay, earner. Which of one of the following not? Which of one is not a greenhouse gas? Hydroxide. Which one is not a greenhouse gas? Hydroxide. Not is the question, but if the question is which are the greenhouse gas, then carbon dioxide, methane and sulfur dioxide. Sulfur hexafluoride. Okay. And East Kolkata wetlands were designated a wetlands of industrial importance under the Ramsar Convention in the year 2002. Which of the following an example of non-renewable energy resource? Okay, which of the following is an example of non-renewable energy resource? Okay, so non-renewable energy resource, okay, it is coal, okay, but solar, methane and hydroelectric, they are all renewable, okay. So the next question, Nepanagar is in Madhya Pradesh, is famous for news sorry newsprint paper. Nepanagar in Madhya Pradesh famous for newsprint paper. Okay. Next question: which year is considered as a year of great divide in the demographic history of India? 1921. According to 2011 census, literacy rate in India 74.04. Highest scheduled caste population is found in West Bengal. Okay, Haryana is not, Tripura not. Okay, so scheduled caste is in West Bengal. Which one of the following states has the lowest sex ratio in 2011? It is Haryana. In 2011, the number of 1 million cities in India it was 42. Okay, so next, which state or union territory of India has recorded the highest rate of population growth in the last census? Highest rate of population growth, Dadra Nagar Haveli. The Bhabar is composed of gravel and unassorted sediments. Bhagar is old alluvium, wetlands, okay, high and laterite plateau. Okay, next, Thorai soils rich in nitrogen. Laterite soil is not deficient in iron. Which statements is not true for monsoon? Okay, so monsoon are not affected by ANSR. Here is not true, okay, but it is affected by yes or no. Okay, if the buoyant force in the range is in range of Beaufort scale 6 to 12, it is tropical disturbance. Which one is not a component part of social forestry? Commercial farm forestry, not a component of social forestry, commercial farm forestry. Which one is not an objective of the social forestry? Okay, so it is to reduce pressure on the traditional forest areas. Which one is not an objective of social forestry? To reduce pressure on the traditional, but all are objective of traditional forestry, like securing revenues, improving aesthetic value, the reduction of environmental pollution. In which year the first forest policy of independent India was declared? 1952. Okay, first forest policy. The Little Run of Kutch is the only home of Indian oil gas. Rudramukh National Park, located in Karnataka, in India. Which type of forest among the following occupies the largest area? Tropical moist deciduous, the solar grassland found in the Western Ghats. Which one is not impact the green revolution on large farmers? Little or no change in consumption. Fruitless agriculture systems are based on empirical techniques. Okay, for which spice is Kashmir famous? Saffron. In land use and crop intensity model, the abundance zone of cropping farming followed and pasture is nearer to the city than threefold system. Eco-geo, okay, food security involves all of the above. Okay, adequate physical availability of food, reliable and nutritionally adequate supply of food, timely supply of food. First export processing zone (EPZ) in India was Kandala. When did India become a member of WTO? 1995. Which one of the following statements are incorrect? It is it is backed by Employment Generation Program, but others are correct. PM GSY is initiated in is a part of rural infrastructure development program. It aims to connect all habitation in rural areas. Okay, next we discuss WCS Mint 2015 again. Okay, others video. Thank you.